Hey, this will be a video chart on OPMG. Got a bunch of requests on this one yesterday and just wasn't able to get to it, but wanted to follow things up today. What we are looking at here is the 60-minute chart. So all that means, if you're not familiar with charts, is instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 60 minutes worth of price action. The reason I'm doing this time frame is just simply because I think it shows the chart a little bit better as opposed to showing the daily chart, because the prices had all sorts of big swings. So this kind of makes it a little bit more easy to comprehend and handle what's been going on. So the first question is, I've been getting, is this play dead? What do I think about it? And from the charting perspective, because I know nothing about the fundamentals, I don't know anything about the story, but from the chart, it's hanging in there, and things were looking kind of iffy during this candlestick right here, during this hour, but it held up strong and actually produced a nice sign of strength. So that's where we'll kick off the video. This level right here was a key level of support at 0.018. And why is that the case? Well, if we go back here, this was just simply a previous high, and highs or previous resistances become supports when they're broken. And then sure enough, this is actually another just a good example of the power of charts. But we had this pullback, and although it didn't quite hit it, 0.019, 0.018, close enough, but you can see this level, which you did want to see hold as support, did just that and actually acted as a trampoline, and it has now propelled the price back upwards for over 100% move from this level. So for those people that were looking at the charts and had some orders down here and accumulated down here for the nice risk versus reward play, a good example of the reward paying off for them. So still going forward now, this remains the key level of support. But more importantly now is, as time goes on, we have our 50 period simple moving average, which is this green line right here, creeping up. And as you can see, pretty soon it's going to be, if we kind of draw this out, it's going to be above this level anyways. So as soon as that cross does happen, then this transitions into being, the level that we want to see continue to hold as support if the chart's going to remain in an overall uptrend. Now flipping things over, really we're kind of in a miniature blue sky breakout. And what I mean by that is we had a level of resistance right here at 3 cents. So let me bring that down, and once again, looking back through the history of the chart, you can see a bunch of times the price bumped its head on it. Right there, 0.029, 0.03, and then with the price breaking above it. The reason I call this a miniature blue sky breakout is because the next level of resistance is not up until right around these three previous highs up here, which is above 4 cents. So 3 cents of 4 cents, I know that doesn't sound like much, but when you consider it in terms of percentages, that's a pretty nice gain. And then after 0.042, that would be a true blue sky breakout. But like I said, with a break of 0.03, I would classify this as a miniature blue sky breakout, because there aren't any other resistances until we get up to that level. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was OPMG. Thanks for listening.